Hi and welcome to my playhouse, and today I am a little bit more scruffy looking than usual because I expect that I'll make myself dirty here, maybe, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna be doing a little bit of house renovation here, and I've been working on, well, this is kind of the hallway in my house. I have had help. I have hired in a, can you call that a contractor? I'm not sure, it doesn't translate very well. Handyman that has been helping me while I've been working. He has been working here some days, quite a bit. So let's see first what I have had made. I have had the ceiling out here replaced and got a new ceiling put in. It's still a crappy room because the rest of the room looks like shit. It's old tiles down here. The floor is missing paint. Well, I did that door. I guess I even did a video on it way back, putting that door in. It needs a lot of work, but the ceiling is really nice right now, so that is cool. And I put in spots in here. You have seen that in other videos, that these are even smart spots, so I can from my phone turn them on and off, so really neat. Also in this very a very fine bathroom here, which is also crap. I've been using my camera light as work lights. I've been doing some of the spots here, figuring out. The wiring got all messed up. I couldn't get those two down there to light up because I've forgotten to connect the wire over here. So yeah, that was as stupid as heck. Had to take everything apart again. But I have some damage up here. When the old ceiling came down, it ripped some of the plaster on the wall down, so it looks really crappy, and that's kind of what I wanted to get to today, to fill that up. There's also a bit missing over there. It doesn't do anything for the room, but it would look so much nicer if that was not missing like that. It's already a crappy bathroom enough. I am gonna have this entire bathroom redone at some point and taken everything out, have the floor taken out. This is a concrete floor, so I want the floor taken out, and I want to have floor heating, like pipes with warm water running underneath the floor. I am not sure what that is called, but in Danish it's called gulvvarme. But yeah, probably you can't use that for much, but well, heating in the floor, because that's the most efficient way to heat a room. And well, you don't have to have really hot water running in the floor. You can just have nice hand warm water, and it will be able to heat the entire room, which is really awesome when you have a heat pump. I have a heat pump sitting right there. You can kind of see that if we look out the window here. There is my heat pump behind the ladder, and well, that generates water. Right now the water is at kind of 38.9 degrees Celsius, and that would be very nice for floor warming. Oh, the heat pump actually just kicked in. The floor and everything also out here, I want that to be teared up at some point and removed, and put floor heating and put the floor back in. But I only have this one crappy bathroom in my house. I have a toilet upstairs, but that is I can't take a shower or do a bath. So right now I'm taking baths here. That also looked like crap. I have actually thought about just painting this for a little bit so that it would look nice for a couple of months until I tear it out. But yeah, today we're gonna put some plaster up there and have that look nice. So, and for doing that, because I get tired of doing an entire bucket every time I want to do something like that. Yesterday I bought a rubbery thing here, so you can kind of take some plaster and mix it up in this rubber. I'm not sure what you should call this, but well, you can make a very small portion of plaster and put it up the wall. so I bought 2 of them. They weren't expensive, so I bought this one to have some screws in that, but never mind that. So I'm gonna go and fill some plaster and mix that up, and we're gonna put that on the wall. So before I put new plaster up here, I want to make sure that this this is to get the loose stuff down from here so that I don't there's like a dent out here. I need to remove some of it. I think I need an angle grinder to do that. See, there's some loose stuff over here as well. Can the toilet hold? Otherwise, yeah, this is very good on there, so I don't have to do anything about that. Over here maybe? Oh, this is crap. Yeah. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Okay. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Maybe I need to do a bucket anyway. This is a lot. Oh, you didn't see that over there. I took a bunch off of there as well. So, okay. I'm hoping that this random optical sander can do the trick, and I don't have to break out the angle grinder. Let's see. Oh, okay, that's a mess. So there's a big hole up there, and it has been covered up with some piece of big wood, and then there has been put concrete on top of that. I could probably use the optical sander forever, but I found the angle grinder. But it's a mess every time you use that. So yeah, let's see if we can get that up and running. I have this very cheap angle grinder, and I haven't been able to take this diamond bit off in forever. So I'm using it until the diamond bit is worn out, and then I'm probably gonna get rid of this. Let's see if it works. Oh, yeah, turn that off. Oh, it's on. It's noisy too. Gotta hate that. But it's gone, so now I can continue, which is good. I need to wetten this as well, make it damp, so the concrete or it's gonna be a mix of tiling adhesive and concrete that I'm gonna be pouring on there, so that it gets way better hold up there. Now I have my sprayer bottle here. We're gonna put some. Oh, that's full of crap. Let's hope that I can wash that up. Maybe it doesn't really matter. Just putting as much water in it as possible, so that I don't have to pump as much air in it, just to be lazy. Cool, that will do. It's definitely wet now. Holy crap, a mess I've made. Okay, some moron didn't clean my tools last he used them. I know exactly who he is, but I used the angle grinder and just polished it off with the concrete, and it looks very cleanish. So I went out and I got some concrete and some tiling adhesive, and I put the powder in this rubbery and making a mess here, and I'm gonna mix that up. So I have some water. Let's get the power tools away from the water. There. It's January, so of course the kids are playing outside. We have had, it's actually February now, but we have had a record hot January. The former record was that January was average temperature of 5 degrees Celsius. This year we have had an average of 5.5 degrees Celsius. So it's amazing. I'm outside without a jacket on. So I'll mix this up and we'll be right back. Well, there really has to be some advantages of being a single man. For example, being able to take a tablespoon and mounting it on the end of the drill to mix up concrete. That would never go with the missus, I'm sure. Just needs a bit of salt. Cool. Okay, that's about what we got out of that. There was reasonably more in that little thing than I was expecting. This was a good fair amount. I was afraid that I would be out there putting powder in that 10 times. And yeah, I only did this once and I got all the way around. It needs another layer, but it needs to dry up before I can do that because it keeps sinking on me. So I think I've used half an hour to rub it in there. So that's gonna be really great. The idea is here that I am fixing up the wall for now. I might even give it a salesman paint. I'm not gonna sell anything, but just to have it look nice. But when I rip off the floors in here, I'm gonna have the walls covered with fiber drywall. This one, which is an internal wall, is just going to have a layer of fiber drywall on there just to smoothen everything out, make it fire resistant and all that good stuff. This one over here, which is an outside wall, you can kind of see the windows to the outside. There's a door there, which it's actually this door that has been replaced. This one is awesome. I got that one from my mom for Christmas. So very useful gift. Thank you very much, Mom. And yeah, I'm gonna leave it here, and then I'm gonna start to clean up this bloody mess that I made. And look at the mirror. It's just my PlayHouse. Yeah, you can write stuff on there. That's fantastic. What a mess I made. But it's gonna turn out for the better, I am sure. So a little bit of an update and house improvement videos for you guys who has been asking for it. I got a lot of comments on my yearly video that I don't do enough of this because many of you wanted to see this. Battery videos and house improvement videos. More people wanted to see those again. So yeah, I'm doing a little bit here. As I said, I am also hiring someone to come and do some stuff, and hopefully this week he's gonna start on tearing down the old toilet upstairs, and we're gonna be extending that and make it an actual bathroom up there. And when that is in order, so that I can take a bath up there, we can start and take this one down here apart. I'm guessing that that's gonna take all spring. That's estimated guess. This is something that is done a few hours here and a few hours there. So it's gonna take forever and ever, but it's gonna go faster than if I just have to do it myself. So do go and check out my PlayHouse store. I am leaving the links in the description of all my videos lately. My PlayHouse store, where I try to sell you all my surplus of good, awesome server hardware. So yeah, check out the link below and help support the channel. So thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel so you can see me again, and have a really nice day. Bye bye.